what is the advantage of using LangChain in creating any digital worker? First one is unified model abstraction layer. Basically, we can connect to any LLM very easily, changing from this LLM to other LLM, from ChatGPT to Gemini or to cloud is very easy. So second is structured and reusable prompt templates. It has very good prompt templates to give very good desired outputs. Tool and multi-model orchestration. Like say if we are connecting to video, audio, or a PDF, when it comes to without Lang, we have to write code for each one of them, parsing all this data. But here you have a document loader, kind of thing, which takes care of all this, and you have multiple components, which it's almost like a plug and play. It does all that with the minimal efforts it can be done. Coming to state management, LangChain maintains a structured workflow on the current status of the data, or like say what is the output of the earlier workflow, what is the output of some of the API calls being done. So when you have a multi-step process, it helps in orchestrating very efficiently on the current status of the data, so that it reaches the goal of a digital worker in this multi-workflow environment very efficiently. Coming to standardized RAG building blocks, RAG is retrieval augmented generation. We'll cover this RAG system completely in next video. Basically, it has four components, like say the document ingestion, then retrieval, augmentation, and generation. All these components are available in LangChain. Or like say for example, document loader. When you're trying to add documents into the system, it splits the document and stuff. And then you have a retriever. We already covered retriever in the previous slide. Like that, the components are already available. We using that. This RAG system can be built very quickly with a minimal coding. Coming to production-oriented AI architecture, it is actually a nightmare to create any APIs. If you have multiple APIs or components you're calling in any system or in any software, for it to work without errors. So when it comes to LangChain, it has streamlined all of them with a standard structure, so that whatever is done, it is always almost production ready, which can be implemented, which can be deployed easily with a minimum errors, basically.